Now let us see today the very important reaction of preparation of alkenes from the alkyl halides. You know the alkyl halide. What is meant by alkyl halide? If the halogen atom is directly attached to the alkyl group, then we call that as the alkyl halide, or one of the hydrogen of the alkane if replaced by the halogen atom, then there is formation of alkyl halide. Now we know that CH3Br methyl bromide, that is the alkyl halide. CH3CH2Cl ethyl chloride, that is also the alkyl halide. Only replace one halogen atom of the alkane by hydrogen atom of the alkane by any halogen. Chlorine, bromine, iodine. We generally show the halogen atom by the letter X. X means halogen. So the general formula of alkyl halide is RX, alkyl halide, or it is also called as the haloalkane. Suppose CH3Br is there, we call it as the bromomethane. Suppose CH3CH2Br, we call it as the bromoethane. Now how we can prepare alkenes? Because yesterday we have seen that is isomerism of alkenes, definition of alkenes. Now come to how these alkenes are prepared. What are the methods of preparation of alkenes? Now here first more important method for the preparation of alkene is the 1,2 elimination reactions. There are many 1,2 elimination reactions, but first see the dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halide. This is also the 1,2 elimination reaction. How it is 1,2 elimination? Let us see. Now I show here the example of bromoethane. Now see, this is the CH3CH2Br. I only draw the structure of this ethyl bromide. This is the common name and bromoethane is the IUPAC name. Only I draw the structure by showing the separately the atoms. This is actually CH3CH2Br, ethyl bromide. Now why I show the separate atoms attached to this 1 and 2 carbon atom? Now this is the first one carbon because bromine is attached to that, and this is the second carbon. It is also called as the alpha carbon atom to which the halogen is attached, and the adjacent neighboring of that, adjacent means neighboring carbon, is called as the beta carbon, or it is also called as the 2. This is 1, 2. Now here elimination means what? Elimination means remove out or evolved. Here 2 different atoms are removed from the 2 carbon atom, first one carbon and second one carbon. Now from the first carbon bromine is removed, and from the second carbon hydrogen is removed. As these are the 1,2 carbon atoms, so from the 1,2 carbon atoms the 2 different atoms are removed or eliminated. So this reaction is called as the 1,2 elimination reaction generally. But here we eliminated what? One hydrogen atom and one halogen atom. So the name of this particular reaction is D. D means to remove. Dehydrohalogenation, because hydrogen and halogen both atoms get removed or eliminated. So the reaction name is what? Dehydrohalogenation. Of which dehydrohalogenation? Of which compound? Of the alkyl halide, because generally this is the alkyl halide, alkyl group, and to that halogen is attached. As it is the ethyl bromide, generally it is called as the alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is the one of the group of the organic compounds RX. This is the general formula of alkyl halide, and there are so many alkyl halide. Now this is the ethyl bromide is also the alkyl halide. Now how the hydrogen and bromine get eliminated? See here, very important. What is the mechanism? First, what happened? This hydrogen atom which is adjacent to that carbon having the halogen. The hydrogen atom on the beta carbon give here its bond between the two carbon atoms. And at the same time, what happened? The bromine with bond eliminates. This give here bond and this with bond eliminate. That means H and Br get eliminated and here is double bond. If here is only double bond, then how many bonds around the carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that is not correct. So bromine have to eliminate here. So here is the double bond. Now see in the product what is there. Now these two hydrogens are as it is. I do not remove that. Only this hydrogen is removed. And it gives its double bond here. Now see, here is the double bond. And this bromine, remove it this bond. Now there is the removal of HBr. But what happened? In the presence of this alkali, now HBr is the acid as of the HCl. You know that HCl is the hydrochloric acid. This is the hydrobromic acid. And this is the alkali or base, KOH, potassium hydroxide. So what happened? The acid and the alkali reacts together, neutralization reaction. In Marathi it is called as the Udasinikaran, neutralization. What happened? When acid and base react, there is formation of salt and water. Now which salt? Now this KBr and HOH forms the water. So there is formation of KBr and water. Now though there is removal of HBr, but HBr and KOH reacts together and form the byproduct as KBr and water. See here, KBr and water is formed. Not write down the byproducts as HBr. Because what happened? HBr reacts with the alcoholic KOH. That means, what is alcoholic KOH? That means potassium hydroxide is dissolved in the alcohol and not in through the water. If there is the alcoholic solution of KOH, then there is the dehydrohalogenation. But if we use the aqueous solution, there is not such reaction. There is only replacement reaction. The bromine get replaced by the OH group in that reaction. But for elimination reaction, we have to must use the alcoholic solution of KOH and boil these two reagent or reactants. Then and then you obtain the alkene. We are seeing the methods of preparation of alkene. Now, we got the alkene? Yes. This is the ethene. CH2 double bond CH3. This is can write in this way. CH2. Now this CH2 double bond CH2. Now this is the ethene. Only the hydrogen are shown separately. Now this is the example, such example where only one neighbor carbon is there. Only one neighbor or only one adjacent carbon of the carbon having the halogen atom. But if there are two neighbors, two carbon atoms, that is, if there are the two carbon atoms around this carbon containing halogen, then what happen? Then there are the formation of two different alkenes, not one alkene only. There are two different alkenes. Now, how are they formed? See here. Now, I draw here the structure of 2-chlorobutane. This is the second example. Why it is 2-chlorobutane? Because number from that carbon where chlorine atom is closer. If we use a number from 1, 2, 3, at 3 carbon there is chlorine. But if we number from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, then on the second carbon there is chlorine. So always number from that carbon atom which is closer to that of this carbon having the halogen. Now in this way I number this carbon chain. Then on second carbon atom there is the chlorine. So this is 2-chloro and in the chain there are 4 carbon atoms. So it is 2-chlorobutane. That is the IUPAC name. But this is alkyl halide. As we know that this is the isobutyl group or secondary butyl group. So what is the common name of this? Secondary butyl secondary butyl chloride. But the main, that is the IUPAC name, is 2-chlorobutane. That is very important. This reaction is very, very important. Now boil this again in the presence of this alcoholic KOH. Alcohol, to write the alcohol is very important in this reaction because the solution is done in the alcohol of the KOH. Now what happened? Two different neighbors. See here, two neighbors are there now to this carbon atom. Then from which neighbor the hydrogen is removed? Now here is only one neighbor, so the hydrogen of that neighbor is removed. But here are the two neighbors. So both of the neighbor remove their hydrogen. Suppose first remove this hydrogen atom of the first carbon. Then what will be the alkene? Now see, this H give here double bond. Okay, one of the H get removed, and this chlorine remove as the that of the with the bond in this way. Double bond is here. So what will, and this is remains as it is. There is no question about this two. Now see, this alkene is obtained. Now see here, one hydrogen get removed, so here is only CH2, and that hydrogen give here bond, so here is the double bond. Again the chlorine of this CH get eliminated, so only CH is there, and this CH2, CH3 are as it is. Now what will be the name of this alkene? Now number from the double bond here, which is closer in the chain. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the double bond is on the first carbon atom. So the name, and in chain there are 4 carbons, so it is the but1ene. But this compound is obtained very less, that is only 20%, because this is the minor. Minor means very less compound is obtained, minor. Why? There is the reason behind that, and that reason is the Saint-Gibbs rule. We will see after taking this formation of second alkene. Let us see how the second alkene is formed now. Now see here, I remove the hydrogen of this another neighbor now. Suppose this one of the hydrogen removed here by giving the double bond here, and this chlorine again gets removed in this way. So double bond will be here, and this have no any question of this CH3 group. So let us see here, this CH3, this single bond is there. Now chlorine get removed. Here is the double bond due to the hydrogen give its bond here, and one hydrogen get eliminated, so CH2 becomes CH only here, and this CH3 is as it is. Now number from the carbon which have near double bond, but double bond is at the center, so number from any side 1, 2, 3, 4. Now on the second carbon there is double bond, and in chain there are the 4 carbons, so it is the but2ene. But it is the 80%. That means it is major. Major means large. Minor means less. Now this is the major. And again the byproduct similarly. KBr and water are formed because hydrogen HBr and this KOH from this KBr and water. Now this is why this is 80%. Now that is very important, and the reason of that is the Saint-Gibbs rule. See here, I read the Saint-Gibbs rule. What Saint-Gibbs says? Saint-Gibbs is was the scientist. What they said? In dehydrohalogenation, the prepared product means which obtained in a large percentage, that is called as the preferred product, that is more product, more percentage product, is that alkene in dehydrohalogenation in the that alkene is the preferred product or major product that has the greater number of alkyl groups, more number of alkyl groups attached to the doubly bonded carbon atoms. Now see here in these two different products. Now this is the doubly bonded carbon atoms in the first. Now only this second carbon atom there is the one of the alkyl group, ethyl group. But here both are hydrogens. But in this doubly bonded carbon atom, what is there? On this carbon, one is the methyl group and one hydrogen. So this is the major compound. Again we can say that the product which is large amount formed by removal of the hydrogen from such carbon which have less number of hydrogen atom. Now here are 3 hydrogen atom, here are only 2 hydrogen atom. But if the less number hydrogen atom containing carbon give its hydrogen, then the compound forms the major compound. In the another word we can see that. Now see, I write here the definition of dehydrohalogenation. Dehydrohalogenation means removal of hydrogen atom and halogen atom. Halogen means any halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. So I show here X. X means any halogen atom from the adjacent or neighboring carbon atoms. Then such reaction is called as the dehydrohalogenation. The carbon atom which carrying the halogen, X means halogen atom, is called as the alpha carbon, and the another adjacent carbon is called as the beta carbon. Thus the reaction which two atoms or two groups are eliminated from the adjacent or neighboring carbon atoms from C1 and C2 is called as the 1,2 elimination reaction. This is the definition of 1,2 elimination. Now what is beta elimination? See here. This is also called as the beta elimination because the hydrogen atom from the beta carbon is removed. I tell you, the alpha carbon is that carbon to which halogen is attached, and the next carbon, adjacent carbon, neighboring carbon of that is called as the beta carbon. As the hydrogen from the beta carbon removed by giving this double bond here, so it is also called as the beta elimination reaction. Now, during dehydrohalogenation of they may ask in examination give region. And what the question of the give region? Give region why during the dehydrohalogenation of these 2-chlorobutane, the but2ene is the major product. What is the reason behind that? They may be asked. Then you must write this complete reaction of these 2-chlorobutane. Show this major compound 80%, we show the minor compound only 20%, and write down the Saint-Gibbs rule. That is its reason. What? Saint-Gibbs rule says that during the dehydrohalogenation of the alkyl halide, always that alkene is the preferred product or major product which have more number of alkyl groups are attached to the doubly bonded carbon atoms, and that is the reason for the formation of the major product of but2ene and not but1ene. Now this is very important reaction for the preparation of alkene, because in this reaction alkenes are prepared.